get them, and I've gotten them. Years back, I wanted Jonathan. Everybody wanted Buhari. You guys bullied me. I've never for once passed my frustration at anyone. No, you guys will keep saying you don't owe people explanation. You think it's easy. Every day, they put up the picture of my children. I'll be cursing my children every time. Because you guys feel I'm an emotional person. I will always let things slide. No, this time around, I will not let it slide. I will not let it slide. I have never cursed anyone. I have supported people. I have helped people. I have stayed in my lane. Every time you put up the picture of my family, kini family mi gba lọ́wọ́ yín, kini ọmọ mi, kini rẹ gba lọ́wọ́ yín, kini tèmi gba lọ́wọ́ yín, kini àwọn ọmọ mi gba lọ́wọ́ yín. If you want to curse me. Tell me I will die. Kill me. Do whatever you want to do to me. Those children do not even know anything. You curse them, you bully them, do everything to them. Every time. And everybody will keep saying, don't talk, don't talk. And this is going on. Enough is enough. I will not take it again. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ọba Kesolo, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ó dẹ̀ ti pọ̀ jù. Every time, ó dẹ̀ mama dákẹ́. To the extent that some people, I will even go to their DM. Matureri, wọ́n máa bully me, Matureri. Every time, you keep bringing up my child. For what? I am 44 years old. I only have a child. You keep bringing up my child. Kí ló ṣe fún yín? Kí ló ṣe fún yín láti kékeré láti bully ọmọ yẹn? Kí ni mo ṣe fún yín? You think it's a joke? And I will not accept any apology from anybody. I will not take public apology. Mi ò ní gbà mọ́, because I have been quiet for a very long time. Mo ti dákẹ́, tó bá bú mi, màá tún rẹ́rìn. And if someone will bully me, I will still laugh over it. I will joke over it. I've done nothing. It is democracy, and it is my right to choose and vote for whoever I want to vote for. It is my constitutional right. It is my right. Atiabo, it is getting too much. I say when it comes to my son, it is my right. I did not force anyone. I did not ask anyone. It is my constitutional right. I wanted Jonathan. You guys wanted Buhari. You went for Buhari. I went for Jonathan. Everything. I never for once bully anyone or pass frustration at anyone. Elomi, tó bá sùn, tó bá tọ̀lé, tó bá jí èmi náà máa wá bá alẹ́ mi ni mo jẹ́ kó hun tọ̀lé. A nítorí pé government tí mo vote fún ló jẹ́ kó hun tọ̀lé. That is why tóun ṣe tọ̀lé torí pé Tinubu ni president lòun ṣe tọ̀lé. Èmi mo dẹ̀ sọ pé kó hun vote fún mo pé mo vote fún Tinubu lòun ṣe tọ̀lé. Everything that happens in the country, and it is my right. I'm saying it publicly. I never collected a dime. I am not that kind of person. That is not the kind of upbringing I have. Mi ò gba 1 naira. 1 naira. Lọ́wọ́ anybody. Before I chose Tinubu or Sanwo-Olu, I'm saying this publicly. 1 naira. Mi ò gba 1 naira lọ́wọ́ anybody. I never collected a dime, a single money like this. Mi ò gba owó lọ́wọ́ anybody. I'm saying it publicly and I'm beating my chest to it. I don't have such upbringing. My parents, my mom, my dad, my late father did not teach me like that. So everybody bully me. I just want the world to know, because this, I am taking it up, and I would not accept any public apology, because enough is enough. Enough is enough. Oba Kesolo, anybody. I did not collect any money from anybody. It was just my choice.